haven't had crabs since I was a kid, and I'm kind of dying to get some. They're Dungeness, and they're delicious. When I was a kid, we used to go out to the beach, and my aunt would just go in the seaweed at low tide under the rocks and just pick them off like they were nothing and fill 5-gallon buckets up. I don't know if that was legal, don't tell anybody, but that's what we used to do. And all of my cousins from Canada would come down and we'd have a feast, and it was awesome. And so I'm not gonna go do that, but there is a place that all the fishermen bring their stuff to in Hampton Beach, and we're gonna go there. So let's head out there now. Got it, we got it. We got the stuff. Look at the goods. I have so many crabs, I couldn't even put them in one pot. I picked up some steamers, which for £1.50 pounds was like 10 bucks. Was $10.31. These crabs, they look sick. I mean, they look good. Now, when it comes to making any kind of clam bake or lobster bake, or in this case, a crab bake, it's pretty simple. You're basically just gonna boil some water with herbs and spices or whatever you like to put in it, and those flavors are gonna just steam into whatever you're cooking. In this case in particular, we're gonna use ginger, garlic, onions, white wine, and some water. And that's it. We're gonna let that boil, turn into a lot of steam, and it will give a lot of great flavor to it. And once that's cooked and smelling really good, throw your crabs and your clams in and put a lid on it and just let it steam. If your water is boiling, it should only take about 7 to 8 minutes. Once all the clams are open and the crabs are red, you're done. All right, let's get this upstairs and let's get everybody eating. Whoa. Oh. Perfect for us. What do you guys think? A bunch of crabs? All right, so we'll probably do this weekly just because it was 30 bucks for the whole thing of crabs and steamers, which I don't even think we're gonna be able to finish. If you like watching this, stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot more videos like this. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And if you like this one, make sure you check out this New England style lobster roll. I grew up in Boston and New England my whole life, and this is how you make it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.